action! Damn it, missed it. Fat belly! I'll have to close you. Where's the...
No! What was that about?
He's trying to scratch Amber. He's playful. He loves them mice, by the way, Mom. He loves them.
Because they have catnip in them.
They have catnip in them, that's why. He's going berserk over here.
How about Oscar? Still has it?
I don't know, he ain't in here. That was cool.
He's like, catch one if you can. Catch a little
Fishy.
micey and put it in your pocket. Never let it run away. Okay. He's looking at me weird.
Okay.